Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a tutorial on how I created this cranberry makeup look. So guys, if you want to see how I created this cranberry makeup look, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, for my primer, I'll be making use of Nivea Men Shave Balm as my primer. Okay guys, and I'll be applying, and as well you'll be applying it on your face. Okay guys, after which we'll be going over to the brows. The link to the brow gel I'm using will be in the description. So guys, you just need to make a straight line below your brow, also above your brow, and then you are going to gently fill it in. Okay, now you're going to use concealer in order to clean up the brows. Using a small concealer brush, go over the lower part of your brow, okay, and also the upper part of your brow in order to clean it up, and then you just need to blend it out. Okay, so guys, when we are through, okay, we'll be going over to foundation. For my foundation, I'm making use of Mary Kay foundation in the shade bronze. Okay guys, I suffer from a lot of acne and breakouts, okay, and I'm still working out on how to clear it out from my face. So guys, using a beauty blender, we're just going to blend it all out. Okay guys, you just need to keep blending the foundation on your face, okay, in order to cover up your face. So guys, when I'm through with the blending, I'll be applying some concealer in order to highlight my face. Okay, I'm blending out the concealer underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Okay, so guys, when you're through with blending, we'll be contouring the face using a cream contour stick. Okay, so guys, we're just going to go over and blend out the contour we just applied. We're going to be blending it upwards. Okay, just gently blend it. You don't need to move it much. Okay, just go over it in order to blend it out. So guys, to set my face, I'll be using this loose translucent powder in order to go over the areas we highlighted earlier on. Okay, in order to set it. We'll be contouring the face, okay, using a pressed contour powder. Now, we are just going to go over the areas in which we'll contour in order to set it. Okay, I'm just trying to cover up my lid, the dark circles of my lid, using a concealer. Okay, using the same concealer we used earlier, and as well I'm blending it out using a beauty blender. The palette I'll be using is Morph 35O palette. Okay guys, and we are going to use this color there as my transition color. Okay, we just need to apply it a little bit above my crease. Okay, blending it out, in and out, and in a circular motion. So guys, we're going to go over this color I showed you guys into my crease. Okay, we're just going to apply it, and also using a small blending brush in order to apply it on the crease. Okay, a shimmer color. Okay guys, we're going to apply it on my lid. Okay, and to highlight my face, I'll be making use of this highlight. Okay, so guys, for my lips, I'll be making use of Huda Beauty lip Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick and a lip liner. Okay, so guys, I did a review video on the lip liner I'm making use of. You can find it out in some of my videos of some of the videos I review. So guys, I'm just lining my lips. Okay, using the lip liner. And then we are just going to apply the Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick. Okay, for blush, I'll be going over my face on the apple of my cheeks. Okay, and okay guys, that is the finished look. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram and on my other social media pages. Thank you so much for your time, for your kind comments.